are at the public beach in Udlot, BOGO City. It's very white sand. Look at the sand. Look at the water. Ain't it white? It's like a little piece of Boracay in here. And here's my niece, Shishing. Hi, Shing. Why do you look so cute today? Because I'm like lonely, you say. Look at that. Nice kayo, di ba? Dagay later dante.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my guys. Ah, unsa pa?
Welcome to my guys.
Oh, yaro dai. Ah, baby, where are you, baby? Asari.
Lord! Atras!
Pa? Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. I don't know what the date is, but we're still in the month of August. We are not yet in September. That's what I know. I don't know what date it is, but it is Sunday morning, around 10 o'clock in the morning here in BOGO City, Philippines. BOGO City, Cebu, Philippines. And we are in a resort, a beach resort here in Udlot, Barangay Udlot, here in BOGO City. I just want you to look at the water. So freaking nice, right? This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Look at the sand. Look at that sand. And I'm with the family right there behind me, setting up the table, the food and everything. So we'll be spending today, the whole day here at the beach, drinking. And there's Maricar. There she is. At the beach, drinking, eating food. We got great food here. And what's that, be? It's lotion. And by the way, I got a fresh haircut. See that? Oh my god, it's fresh.
Nakitaan lagi na mo shade.
Yeah, it's in the motorcycle. It's in the motorcycle. In the U-Box. She's putting the lotion on me so that I won't get sunburned. Look at how wonderful this beach resort is. There, that is a mountain, and we park over there. There's a parking lot, and we go down this hillside, this trail right there. That's a trail, and here's that's our beach cottage right there with the family right there. Then let's go to the water's edge. Can you hear the waves slapping? It's a calm day at the sea, at the beach. There they are. Kuya George, say hi to my vlog. It's a very nice day here in the water. There they are. See? That's the from that point up to that point, it's all white sand. Yeah, what's up? Say hi to my vlog. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging right now. And that's my niece, my beautiful niece. And that is Gideon. That fat kid. That's baby girl. Ay, nanindot na ang buhok ni Maluk. Say hi to my vlog, eh. I'm making a video. Buang. Look. Nangihi na kalat. Magsiling na to. Ala, di lang ako. Oh. And that's my family right over there, preparing the food, chit-chatting. Again, we are here in Barangay Udlot, BOGO City in Cebu, Philippines. What a great place. You don't need to go to Boracay. There are lots of unknown beaches here in the Philippines. Look at that. Look at the sand. It's very white. And let me get some grains of sand. Look how fine it is. See that? That's fine sand right there. White. White as snow. Maybe off-white. But it's white still. Look at that, the water. Dante. Ganina naman dire.
Tao na eh.
Tataon na di siya.
Eh? Ito? Sukban yun ang Filipino na tamban.
Ah, lami awin. Again guys, thanks for joining me in this video here in Barangay Udlot, Cebu City. If you want to go to beaches, you don't have to go to Boracay or get high-end resorts, Siargao. You don't have to go there because there are lots of wonderful beaches here in the Philippines. That. Look at that water. Look at the white sand. Ha? Goggles wala. Googles ko Google. Siya pagila. Goggles? Wala. Gago ako. Gago.